Welcome back to the part 4 of time and date series. In this video we are going to learn simple but powerful text function that help you to return current date and time whenever you execute the report. And we will also see how you can use this function in further calculation in upcoming session. But before we start, I want you to understand why this particular function is necessary, especially when you want to find the difference between 2 days. For example, if you have the student data where the one particular column contains the date of birth and you want to find the age of a particular student in the days. When you create the particular age column, you use this kind of function to actually find out the age of student. Now some people might wonder that why you don't use the date function and enter the date manually. Well, that's look fine when you first create the dashboard, but think from the stakeholder perspective. If they open the report after few days or few months, they actually see the outdated result, and that might be wrong, and that is the only reason why we are using this function. So the first is today. All right, let me show you how this works. I will add a new column and name it current date is equal to today. As soon as we press enter, it automatically return the current date. Let's also check on the calendar. Today is 7 October 2025 and you can see that the value written in the column is exactly the same. Now the second function is the now. This one doesn't return the date, but along with it, it also return the current time. And each time you refresh the workbook, it actually update that one also. So add another column, current date and time is equal to now. As soon as we press enter, it automatically return current date and time at the moment. And each time you refresh the workbook, it actually update that one. The second two functions are related to the UTC. So for those who do not understand what is a UTC stand for, it is a coordinated universal time. It is primary reference standard that worldwide used to regulate the clocks and the time, and it is basically the same everywhere. When you operate the multinational company that have their function in multiple regions, you usually use this particular time rather than separately use the different time zones for different country. Now just add a new column, UTC time is equal to UTC today. Okay, press enter, it return you the date. Then add another column, UTC now is equal to UTC now, press enter, it actually return you the date and the time. So now you understand how this actually work. In upcoming section we are usually going to use this in the analysis.